From our Discord server, nagtatanong si Cold Stare kung pwede daw ba na i-connect yung case fans niya via splitter sa CPU cooler fan that will then connect to the CPU fan header. This is Pwede Magtanong Thursday. Hardware Sugar is a computer store pero kahit hindi ka customer, gusto pa rin namin makatulong, especially dun sa mga nagsisimula pa lang sa hobby. So he's asking that kasi gusto niya daw na mag-ramp up din yung case fans niya with the CPU cooler fans. Although possible naman, gagana naman siya as long as you don't have too many fans. Hindi siya ideal kasi the CPU fan header serves a purpose, and that is to be the dedicated header for the CPU fan cooler. In most motherboards, it's a fail-safe kasi if no fan is connected to it, hindi magbo-boot yung motherboard in order to protect the CPU from overheating. Good news is, possible naman yung idea niya with normal system fan headers. With those, you can still control the fan speeds via the BIOS using a fan curve. That's essentially setting the fan speed to react with the CPU temperature sensor. So for example, if 30 degrees pa lang yung CPU mo, you can slow the fans down and then ramp it up as the CPU temperature increases.